Here's the setup. Just this is a DSP actually, so you don't have to cut your wires or nothing like that. You get a 30 band equalizer here. Another custom settings, I can set each and every speaker's volume, gains or frequencies. You can set according to your choice. I have installed a active subwoofer from JBL. This is Bass Pro SL. And if you have any other queries, you can just ask me over the upload, wherever, on the Facebook or on YouTube. On the front, actually I forgot to mention the speaker about the speakers. On the front here is a it's a component from Infinity. On my rear there are JBL 69. Let me show you. These are the JBL 69. I have just unplugged my rear speakers and rear front speakers. There are no wire cuts in here actually. I have just if you know the guy who installing the DSP, and he can do it properly without cutting any wires. You have to just unplug the original wires and install all the speakers from the DSP. You have a 4-channel output from the DSP with two RCAs for subwoofer. Let me just show you. If you don't want to install an extra amplifier for speakers, the subwoofer, rear, front. There are coaxial input also. There's a remote also, and you can connect and adjust all your features according to yourself through via a Pioneer app. So this is it. You can enjoy your sync3 music system if you are unsatisfied on the basic setup given from the Ford. Thank you.